Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for April the 26th through April the 30th. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, chicken and waffles. Tuesday, spaghetti with meat sauce and garlic bread. Wednesday, chicken tenders with biscuit and gravy. Thursday, ham and cheese sub. And on Friday, pizza. Jaguars, this is a reminder that from 7:45 until 8:30 each day, please pick up your breakfast from the cart between first and second grade hallways. No one should be going to the cafeteria after 7:45 each morning, but you may pick up your breakfast from the grab and go cart. Jaguars, let's continue to work together to wear our mask, continuing to wash our hands often, and practicing social distancing. This week, we will continue state testing for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students. Jaguars, you are doing an amazing job. But just remember to get a good night's sleep, eat a healthy breakfast, arrive to school on time, because you've got this. This is an opportunity to show what you've mastered and areas of support needed as you begin the next school year. You are a Jaguar leader, and you make us Jaguar proud every day. Thank you, kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade students, for maintaining the 0 level in the hallways. We will need you to keep that up all this week, so thank you for taking the lead. This is a reminder that our Jefferson RCL students will continue testing at our school in the afternoons all this week. So all of us will need to work together to be at a level 0 when we are walking in the hallways. An announcement will be made at the end of each afternoon of testing. Until that announcement has been made, please continue to transition in the hallway. You guys are doing a great job, so keep up that work. Jefferson families of rising kindergarten students, this is a reminder that on Friday, April the 30th, we will be having the Jefferson kindergarten screening. Teachers are scheduling those appointments, so please call the school office at 423-378-2270 if you've not received a call to schedule. We can't wait to see you glow at Jefferson. Once again, this will be for our kindergarten students who will be coming to Jefferson for the first time in the fall. The Jefferson Library would like to thank everyone for helping make the book fair a success. Mrs. Sin hopes that everyone is enjoying reading their newest selections. You know, Jaguars, it's time to return those library books, so here's some key dates for you to remember. On April the 23rd is the last day for book checkout. And then on April the 30th, all books are due back to the library. You know, parents and students, with careful searching, these books often turn up in the classrooms, desks, cubbies, backpacks, under beds, in the car, or elsewhere. So listen to this, students. For any student who returns all books by April the 30th, you are eligible to enter the poster prize drawing. Winners of the prize drawing will receive one of the posters from our book fair. Also, an added incentive, the classes from each grade level that has all library books turned into the library first will receive Icy Pops. There will be one homeroom winner per grade level. Need a clean car? Come on out to Ultimate Shine Car Wash now until June 30th, and Jefferson Elementary will receive some money for your visit. And now it's time to celebrate some Jaguars who have a birthday this week. On April the 26th in 1st grade, Braylon B. On April the 28th in 4th grade, Kendall A. And in kindergarten, Tristan B. On April the 29th in 5th grade is Evan W. On April the 30th in 5th grade, D'Angelo E. 3rd grade, Caleb M. 1st grade, Kenna N. 2nd grade, Arabella S. On May the 1st, celebrating a birthday in 4th grade is Mason B. 3rd grade, Isaiah M. 1st grade, Mason P. And on May the 2nd, in 2nd grade, Cole I. 2nd grade, Griffin I. 4th grade, Demi W. And in 4th grade, Jacob Y. Happy birthday, Jaguars. I hope you enjoy celebrating, and just know that you really are a gift to our world. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Jaguars, we want you to know that you are amazing. You are important. You are special. You are unique. You are kind. You are precious. And most importantly, you are loved. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Have an amazing week. And now you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.